Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So if you are somebody who is experiencing an increased amount of hair loss, if you are experiencing slow hair growth or thinning hair, then you're going to want to stay tuned to this video because I'm going to share something that hopefully can help you. So with that being said, let's get into this video. So when I was on my hair growth journey about 5 years ago, I realized that my hair was growing, but it was growing really slowly and it was really delicate and, fragile. So if I ever were to touch my hair, it would just start breaking off. One of the things that I did to help my hair to get longer was I was using natural stimulating products. Now I speak about this many times. If you are interested in what I was using, you can go check out my website. But the next best thing that you have to make sure that you are doing is making sure that you are giving your body healthy things that it needs to produce that thicker, healthier hair. What I realized is that when I started drinking the drink that I'm going to share with you guys was that my hair got thicker and it actually started to grow a little bit faster. Now, the reason why it grew faster was because my hair wasn't breaking off every time I touched it or combed it or went in the shower. So I was able to retain length, which made it grow faster. Instead of your hair grows, it breaks, it grows, it breaks. So it just seems like the growth is really slow, or it seems like your hair isn't growing at all. So what I want to do in this video is share exactly the drink that I was drinking. And I also want to share a very important tip that I wasn't using back then that I really want to share with you that's going to help you guys so much right now.
Now, these are the amazing ingredients that I will be using to make this protein pack immune boosting drink that is going to help you to grow longer, thicker, and stronger hair. The first thing that I use is 2 cups of almond milk. And the reason I use almond milk is because my body doesn't do so well with dairy. You can go ahead and use water as well. Now, the next thing that I go ahead and do is use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now, coconut oil has so many amazing benefits for your skin and your hair. It nourishes and moisturizes your skin. So this is going to be your scalp. And it is also filled with antioxidants that help to keep your skin free from free radical damage. Now, it goes ahead and kills that bacteria that's in your body, which will also help to keep your scalp healthy, and that will help you to promote amazing growth. Now, if you have any sort of itchiness or dryness, it goes ahead and conditions your scalp. It helps to relieve some of that itchiness and dryness from the inside out. Now, the next thing I go ahead and pour in is ground black chia seeds. Now, our hair is made out of protein, and chia seeds are packed with protein. So because they are packed with protein, they're really going to help our hair to remain strong, and that is going to go ahead and keep more hair on your head, which will really help to keep your hair thicker and fuller. Now, chia seeds are full of essential amino acids, which will help to keep your hair nice and shiny and smooth. And they also have antioxidants, which once again will help with free radical damage on your hair follicles and your scalp. And if your scalp is healthy, you're going to get that amazing hair growth. Now, collagen is next, and this is my secret ingredient that I was not using in the beginning of my hair growth journey to get the amazing growth that I got. However, upon doing a lot of research, I realized that this is something I really want to share with you guys in case you don't know about collagen, but it is so amazing for your hair. Now, collagen is once again a protein that's really going to help your hair to remain strong and thick. And the reason for that is because your hair strand is surrounded by protein, aka collagens, which help to reinforce the structure of that strand. Now, if your hair strand is strong, it is not going to break off. It is not going to be brittle. So you're going to see that length. You're going to see that long hair growth. You are also going to be able to keep the hair on your head longer, which is once again going to promote that thicker, fuller look. The next ingredient are hemp seeds, and they definitely promote hair growth. And hemp seeds are rich in omega-3, 6, and 9. Now, these fatty acids are extremely important for new growth. So if you are noticing that your hair was falling out or it's breaking off, then this is something you're really going to want to add to your drink to make sure that your cells are being regenerated and that you're getting new growth. And that is also going to help you with nourishing those hair follicles, which is going to promote, once again, fuller, thicker hair. Now, the next ingredient I have is brown rice protein powder, and this is just brown rice in here. Nothing else is added. And the reason why I went ahead and added this into my drink was because of the protein. I needed some extra protein when I was getting my hair growing and flourishing. So this was one of the best ways I was able to do that. They are also full of antioxidants, which once again is great for your body. It's great for your scalp and your hair. They are packed with essential minerals and vitamins, which really help your immune system. And if your body is healthy, then your body is going to be able to produce amazing hair. Now I go ahead and throw in a cup of mixed berries in here. You've got blueberries, blackberries, strawberries. And why I go ahead and add berries is because berries are high in vitamin C. Now, vitamin C helps to boost collagen production, which is so important for that stronger, thicker, healthier growth, and it prevents brittleness and breakage. Now, vitamin C helps your body to absorb iron, and this is extremely important for people who are losing their hair because of iron deficiencies. Berries are also full of antioxidants, which help to protect your hair follicles from free radical damage once again, and it boosts scalp stimulation. So it's really going to help to deliver nourishment to your hair follicles. Then I go ahead and throw in a handful of leafy greens. This particular bunch is baby kale and baby spinach. I try to keep these organic, and one of the reasons why I use these two is because they are full of vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, the B vitamins, potassium, and all of those vitamins are really going to help to strengthen the hair follicles. And because of the vitamins in these leafy greens, it really helps to promote the sebum production that really helps to lubricate our hair strands as they come out of our follicles. That's really going to help to keep our hair strands moisturized, conditioned, silkier and smoother, and really just more strong. Then I go ahead and I just throw in a banana. And the reason why I had a banana in the beginning of this journey was really for the taste. But what I found out was that bananas are rich in silica, which is actually known to improve hair thickness. Now, bananas also help to make your hair strong and more durable. They are also full of B6 and vitamin C, which again is really important for your immune system. So the potassium along with the vitamin C that are found in bananas are great for your skin and great for your hair. It helps once again to condition your skin and condition your hair. What I do is I go ahead and pour myself a glass, and of course there's leftovers. You can drink it throughout the day or save it for the next day. And my body is getting all of the vitamins, nutrients, minerals it needs to be healthy and to have a healthy scalp, and that is really going to be the key to growing longer, stronger, thicker, amazing hair.
So that was the drink that I was drinking, and I pretty much drank it every single morning consistently. If you do it for about a week or two, that's when you're going to start really getting the benefits of it. But if you do it to 3 to 4 weeks, even up to 6 weeks, that's when you're going to really start to notice an extreme difference. So the first thing that you're probably going to notice is that your hair is more shiny. It's not as dry and brittle. But then what you're going to notice is a fuller, thicker experience. You can even drink this for breakfast, and that's really going to help any of you if you are on a weight loss journey. So the drink not only helps with your skin and your nails, but it helps obviously with your hair. It helps with your energy levels, and it really just helps you to feel better. So with that being said, guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notifications. If you are not turning on the notifications, you won't be notified when I drop new videos. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone. And if you are not following me on Facebook or Instagram, please go follow me on Facebook and Instagram, because that is how I'm staying connected with you guys. So with that being said, thank you for watching another one of my videos. Don't be a stranger. Let's stay connected, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.